Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best orbital sanders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many orbital sanders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each orbital sanders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an orbital sander. First, think about the power and speed settings, as these determine how efficiently the tool can handle different surfaces and materials. Next, check the size and type of sanding pad, since a larger pad covers more area, while smaller one offers better control for detailed work. Comfort also matters. Look for an ergonomic design with a good grip to reduce hand fatigue during long sanding sessions. Dust collection is another important feature because it keeps your workspace clean and improves visibility. Finally, consider the brand's reliability, warranty, and availability of replacement parts for long-term use. Choosing an orbital sander with the right balance of power, comfort, and durability will make your projects smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.